Okay, are you Justin Loopy?
Yes, sir.
All right, Loopy, you were indicted by the grand jury yesterday on a charge of grand theft of a motor vehicle. And the indictment alleges that on or about December 20, 2021, this county you did with purpose to deprive Jacob Rogers of his 1995 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck, which is a motor vehicle, obtained and exerted control without his consent. That is a fourth-degree felony, which, if convicted, carries a possible prison term of between 6 and 18 months and a fine of up to $5,000. Now, you are entitled to have an attorney to represent you in this matter, and if you cannot afford to hire one for appointment before USC has filled out a financial disclosure form. Is everything on this form correct?
Yes, sir.
When was the last time you were employed?
2021.
Right. All right, the court then will appoint Mr. Wagner to represent you. In the absence of counsel, enter not guilty plea in your behalf. Set a bail review hearing for your case tomorrow at 10 o'clock. That'll be by Zoom. Your first pre-trial will be, let's see, were you just picked up yesterday?
No, sir. I've been here for a month probably.
All right, what do you mean held on? Is this case
charge here.
Do you have any other
This
charges?
case, yeah, I'm held in Brown County too. They sentenced me to start in Brown County and over here too, because you guys had a hold on me over here.
Okay. So when did you come up here?
On the 2nd
2nd of April?
of, no, the 2nd of January, shit. What's, February 2nd?
February the 2nd, okay.
Yes, sir.
Give me another sheet, man, I don't have one on this case. Okay, it looks like it was March 2nd, not February 2nd, according to the report here. All right. All right, so the court then will set your first pre-trial for April the 20th at 1 p.m. Final pre-trial will be May the 4th at 1 p.m. Trial date will be May the 31st at 8 a.m. we set the amount of, $5,000 plus under cognizance, which is your promise to appear. And if you fail to appear, then you could be prosecuted for an additional felony. And if convicted, sentenced to 9 regardless of what in this case. You'll also be under pre-trial supervision should you make bond of probation department 117 East Main Street. Report to them upon your release, and then once a week for 4 weeks as they determine. Undergo drug testing, provide phone numbers for homestead employer, and go contact the alleged victim. Recommended by probation to be evaluated for substance abuse and mental health issues, and treatment indicated for all fall under offense of this action. And you'll be under house arrest to make your bond at 511 East Main Street, Mount Orr, unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings. If this or any other case, probation officer or lawyer appointments in this or any other case, or to attend any kind of job training, educational programming, or church services, other than that, you have to be there at all times. Do you have any questions about this, Ruby?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Here's one for Smallwood, Judge.
What did I say is pre-trial?
April 20th. May 4th, 1 o'clock.
Alright. Alright, are you, Al Joshua Smallwood?
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Smallwood, you've been, indicted by the grand jury yesterday on a charge of trespass and a habitation with a person present like to be present. It's alleged on about February 17th of this year, you, by force, dealt with felony trespass in a residence of 3122 SR 321. Is a permanent temporary habitation of the person they were likely to be present. That's a fourth-degree felony which carries a possible prison term of conviction between 6 and 18 months, and a fine of $5,000. You're entitled to have an attorney to represent you, and if you cannot afford to hire one, the court will appoint one for you. I see you have filled out a, has your name and case number on it. So you have no income.
No.
Alright, so this is the first time you've been in court on this case?
No, I had a lawyer at Denny Church, and I had a mental health evaluation. They said I was going to go to Twin Valley.
Alright. Dennis Kirk is your attorney. Okay. We'll appoint him as your counsel in this case, and they're not going to put in your behalf. Bail review hearing will be set tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock, or at 10 o'clock, I should say. When were you arrested on this charge, Mr. Smallwood? March the 9th, that's fine. Alright, the court will set your first pre-trial for April the 20th at 1 p.m. Final pre-trial will be May the 4th at 1 p.m. Trial date will be May 12th 8 a.m. Bond will be sent down to $5,000 plus your recognizance. If you're promised to appear, if you fail to appear, you could be prosecuted for an additional felony. We also be required to pay a deposit of $171 prior to release for certain statutory required fees. If you make the bond, you'll be under house arrest at your residence. I'm sorry, if you make bond, you're going to be under pretrial supervision. You'll have to report to the probation department 117 Main Street immediately upon release, and then 4 weeks after that is determined. Undergo random drug testing, examine the order, provide phone numbers for home self-employer, contact the alleged victim, if recommended by probation, be evaluated for substance abuse, mental health issues. If any treatment is indicated, you'll enroll in, follow that during pendency of this action. You also will be under house arrest at your residence, meaning you have to be at all times unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings, and this or any other case. Attend any kind of job training, educational programming, or church services, other than that, you have to be at all times. All right, now, do you have any questions, Mr. Smallwood? All right, thank you.
I'll make sure they get steno fees in there too.
All right, are you Tanga G. Pitzer?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's case number 22CR93, State of Ohio versus Tanga G. Pitzer. Pitzer appeared by video from the Justice Center. Ms. Pitzer, you were indicted by the grand jury on April 5th, yesterday, along with like 4 other co-defendants. You were indicted in counts 1 and 2 with aggravated transfer of methamphetamine in the school zone and aggravated possession of methamphetamine. And also count 14 to 16, actually 14 to 17. Count 1 is alleges that you sold marijuana in the school zone on or about February 21st in this county in an amount equal to or exceeding 5 times bulk, thus 50 times bulk. That's a first-degree felony, which if convicted carries a mandatory prison term between 3 and 11 years, and the minimum up to an additional 1/2 of that may be determined by the Department of Corrections. Count 2 is a second-degree felony, has a mandatory term between 2 and 8 years if convicted, with a possible additional period of up to 50% of that added on by DRC. Count 14, aggravated transfer of methamphetamine, alleges that on or about February 5th of this year, he sold, not only sold for officer of methamphetamine. In count 15, alleges on or about February 5, you knowingly possessed or used methamphetamine, and then count 16, alleges you did the same thing on January 12th. Both of those are 5th-degree felonies. Fourth-degree felonies carry a possible prison term between 6 and 18 months. The 2 5th-degrees carry a possible prison term between 6 and 12 months. And there's also requests to forfeit a 2001 Red Ford Super Duty truck due to its instrumentality in the conviction facilitation of these offenses. And you're entitled to have an attorney, Ms. Pitzer, to represent you. You can't afford to hire one, or we'll find one for you. So you have to fill out a financial disclosure form. Is everything on the form correct?
Yes, sir.
What city is your mailing address in?
Hillsborough.
Okay, it's not on your form.
I'm sorry.
This is the first time you've been in court on this case?
I'm sorry.
First time you've been in court on this case?
Yes.
Okay. Portland Point Attorney William Irvin, out of Hillsborough, Ohio, to represent you. Yeah, counsel will enter a guilty plea on your behalf. Your bail review hearing will be set tomorrow at 1 o'clock by Zoom. First pre-trial will be, actually, those are all the court first tomorrow, so that'll be at 2 o'clock, not 1 o'clock. First pre-trial will be April the 20th at 1 p.m. by Zoom. Final pre-trial be May 18th, 1 o'clock by Zoom. And your trial will be set for June the 13th at 8 a.m. Bond will be set in the amount of $25,000 plus your own recognizance, which is your promise to appear. And if you fail to appear, you could be prosecuted for additional felony. And if convicted, sentenced on that regardless of facts in this case. You also be required to pay a deposit of $171 prior to release and certain statutory required fees. Be required to be under pre-trial supervision if you make bond. Meaning you have to report to the probation department at 117 East Main Street legally upon your release. 1 week to 4 weeks. And after that, they determine your random drug testing that they order. Provide phone numbers for hometown employer. Have no contact with any of the co-defendants in your case. Recommended by probation. Evaluated for substance abuse and mental health issues. When treatments indicated, control and follow after encourage this tendency of this case. You'll also be under house arrest at your residence, so you have to be there all the time. Unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings in this or any other case, appointments with an attorney, probation officer in this or any other case. You may also attend any kind of educational programming or church services, none of that, you have to be there all the time. Yeah, the compliant workers, okay, bond, have you held till further report. Have any questions on this, sir? All right, thank you.